Okay, this might be the best thing that Cricut has added to Design Space yet. Design Space recently launched a brand new project designer, and today I'm using it to turn my dog into custom artwork for an iron-on tote bag. The wild part, I'm literally just describing what I want in a chat prompt, and Cricut is creating the design for me. Project Designer is built directly into Design Space, and it basically acts like a creative assistant for your projects. Instead of starting completely from scratch, you can describe what you want. Things like custom shirts, labels, party decor, tote bags, home decor, and personalized gifts. And it will generate ready-to-make designs to help you refine your ideas, make creating way faster, especially if you don't feel super confident designing things yourself. One thing that's really exciting is this feature is available for all Design Space users to try. If you use the free version of Design Space, you'll get a one-time deposit of AI credits to experiment. Cricut Access subscribers get monthly credits included with their plan. This feature works best for single operation, two-dimensional pieces like tote bags, t-shirts, decals, labels, and signs. It's perfect for the tote bag I want to make. Let me show you how it works. For my first project using this feature, I wanted to make something really personal. So we're creating a custom iron-on tote bag with a drawing of my dog. I want it to feel minimal and modern. I really like those continuous line art drawings, so let's see what Design Space can come up with. To access the project designer, just click the icon here on our home screen. Inside the project designer, we'll just type a prompt describing what I want to make. Something like minimal, continuous line art drawing of my dog sitting, clean, modern style for an iron-on vinyl tote bag. I can even upload a reference photo here. And this is where it gets really fun because you can keep refining the design conversationally. You can ask it to simplify the lines, make it bolder, remove details, or make it more cut-friendly. Let's see if I can incorporate a little heart in this. When it looks good, click Edit on Canvas and it opens directly in Design Space where you can resize, edit, and prep it just like any other Cricut project. One thing I really appreciate is that the designs are already optimized for Cricut projects, so there's basically no cleanup. I'll just resize this and we're good to get cutting. I'm using black iron-on vinyl for this, so I'm gonna load this into my machine. Make sure your shiny side is down and don't forget to mirror your design before cutting. After cutting, I weighted away the extra material and now I'll be applying it to my tote bag using my EasyPress SE. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. I honestly think this looks so professional, and the fact that it started with just a text prompt is kind of crazy. And I'm kind of obsessed. This genuinely feels like one of the easiest ways to make super personalized Cricut projects, especially if you don't have graphic design experience. I can already think of so many ways to use this feature: custom gifts, matching family shirts, wedding projects, classroom labels, small business packaging, and personalized home decor. If you want to try Cricut's new AI project designer yourself, I'd love to know what you're gonna make first. To learn more, check out our blog. I'll have it linked below. Happy making!